And we're back. Good morning, Los Feliz. It's time for our favorite segment, Closing Thoughts.
My closing thought, I think, and I think you guys will...
Sorry, can I switch seats?
Yeah.
Can I switch seats with you real quick?
Are you sitting there?
Yeah, sorry.
Actually, if I could then pop
with
it
me?
over with you, I think Adam and I should switch. Now.
You're not such a...
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this configuration.
Yeah.
Yeah. Although I kind of liked it when I was
I
over.
wanted to pop over here.
Well, we need somebody in the middle because you're not. In the
Well, I
middle.
mean, I could just sit over here and just sort of lean it.
I think if Eric, if you and I switch,
Yeah. This
Yeah,
is
like this?
this is it right here.
I like this. Actually, pop over here by Eric.
Yeah. This is it right here. Closing thoughts.
Closing thoughts.
Closing thoughts, Los Feliz.
Adam's up first. Go Adam.
Los Feliz.
Do we get a clean clap?
I don't think.
I don't think we got a clean clap. Let's get a clean clap.
Clean clap.
Before we. We're just wrapping things up here at Good Morning Los Feliz. Adam Allgood is about to deliver his closing thought.
So I walk around all the days, all the time, and I see these children, these fat little children.
Porque abandono